Hi, I'm Dr. Masha with Dr. Masha Naturopathy. I'm a naturopathic doctor in the state of California. In my practice, I see patients with chronic conditions, and one of them is thyroid imbalance, in particular, underreactive thyroid. Thyroid is a really interesting gland. It is located around our neck, around this area, and it is less than 1 ounce in weight. So it is a tiny gland, but it is responsible for the whole metabolism in the body along with other organs and systems. It is part of the endocrine system or part of the hormonal balance. In these days, thyroid issues are endemic in the United States. A naturopath can successfully address these issues. And here today, for example, I have some herbs, a few herbs that I picked up in my medicinary, and I use them quite frequently with patients who come with a thyroid imbalance, especially with the underreactive thyroid or hypothyroidism. If you would like to know a little bit more about thyroid, I can tell you that women are usually at the increased risk of having thyroid problems, almost 5 to 8 times higher than men. And usually the tendency towards hypothyroidism increases with age. So it's a good idea to pay attention to it, especially during menopause. Or before that too, absolutely. So a little bit more about statistics. Tendency towards hypothyroidism increases with age. So by age 60, nearly 17% of women and 9% of men may have developed a thyroid condition. And there are lots of factors that affect environmental factors, emotional factors such as stress. Stress is a big trigger for hypothyroid issues, and absolutely diet and lifestyle. So today I would like to talk about just a few herbs that I use, and it's not limited to these herbs. This is just something to share some of my therapies. So let's see. The first herb that I have here is called fucus, and it is actually a seaweed, and it does have a bioavailable iodine. So a lot of times thyroid conditions could be due to a lack of bioavailable iodine. So fucus could be a good herb to use. It does have some other properties, and it is very healing for the thyroid conditions. Then I have another herb here that is withania, which is one of the herbs that I usually use for thyroid and for adrenal health, because adrenals and thyroid are very connected with each other. So whenever we address thyroid, we also address adrenal health. And we can do a separate talk about adrenal health because it is a really big topic. So what else do I have here? I have rosemary that is excellent for adrenals and thyroid balance, and also rhodiola. These herbs a lot of times in herbalism are called adaptogens. So they help the body adapt to whatever is going on, most likely post-stress or during stress. So yes, like I said, naturopaths do specialize in hormonal conditions, particularly thyroid issues. So if you have any questions about thyroidism, hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, you can always email me or contact me by the phone number. So thank you for your attention, and see you next time.